Hi all, so I'm here again with another interesting topic in RPGS 400. So this time I will let you know what is clear and reset opcodes in RPGS 400. So for this demo purpose, I just created one example. Let me show you. So I took three variables uh, of which two are character variables initialized with hello and world, and one is the numeric, that is integer, so which is initialized with 100, and one is indicator which is initialized with the on, star on, that is set to 1. So if I set var1, if I change var1 to something else, for example I'm adding 1 to hello, that is making it hello 1. So if I clear this value, so what happened in case if I clear a value, means I'm using clear opcode. So what it does, it will clear that variable. So if that is a character, so it will basically set to its low value. So for character it will set it to blank, for numeric it will set to 0, for indicators it will set to off. But in case if I'm using the reset indicator, so whatever value which is provided at the time of the initialization, then that variable would be reset to that value. So for example, in case val2, I change val2 by adding 1 to it, or you can say appending 1 to that string, then I'm resetting var2. So at this point var2 is world1, but after resetting var2 it would become world. But if I would have used clear, it would be making that var2 as blank. So the same way, if var2 is world, since it is reset here, so I'm setting indicator 1 to off, which is by default on. Now once it is off, after this I'm resetting that, so it will become on. Again, if you see, for var3 I'm adding 100, which is numeric, and then I'm resetting the value. So after resetting the value it would become the 100, but if I adding 200 it would become 300, and then I'm clearing the value, it would make it 0. If I clear that indicator, it would make it off. So let me compile this and show you this. Program compiled successfully. Just come put the breakpoint. Just call this program. So by default you can see var1 is hello, world is, var2 is world, var3 is 100, and indicator 1 is on. So I'm adding var1 to 1, hello 1. Now it becomes, now once I clear this variable 1, it would be setting to the low value, which is blank for the character. As you can see, now I'm adding 1, appending 1 to the var2 string. Now it becomes world1. So once I reset that var2, it would become world. So it would not get cleared and it would reset to its original initialized value. Now I'm checking if var2 is world. Yes. Set indicator 1. Currently it is on, initialized as on. It would set to off now, as you can see. Once I reset that indicator, it would set to on again. So I'm adding 100 to var3, which make it 200. Now if I reset that, then it again would become 100. But if I add 200 to this and then clear that, then it will make 0. Means clear is basically setting it to low value. That is blank for character, 0 for numeric, and off for the indicator. So if I'm clearing this indicator which is initialized to on, it would make it off, and that's the end of program. So you saw that how clear and reset works in RPG AS400. So clear basically clears the character to blank, numeric to 0 and indicators to off, setting it to low value. But reset would reset the values which is provided the time of initialization using the ANZ keywords, or if not provided, then it assumes its you can say its initialized value as the low vals. So that's the concept here. So that's all in this video which I want to share. Thank you and have a nice time.